Hi everyone, you're welcome to another video with Ashiwaju. In today's video, I'll be showing you quickly how you can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account, your Facebook business page with your Instagram account. So that's what I'll be showing you in today's video. Real quick, if you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you're on this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video like this. So let's jump in. So now once you're on your Facebook page, you just come down here to settings. Right now you're on your Facebook page, click on settings down here and scroll down again and click on Instagram. So now you see another options here, a call to action button, connect account. So you need to connect your Instagram account now. Click on connect and click on continue. So you must have logged in into your Instagram, and if you haven't logged in, make sure you know the login. So it's either you've already logged into the Instagram account on your browser, or you know the login. So now let's connect. I already click on connect. Now you input the Instagram login and click on login. So it's loading now. You just wait for a few seconds. So it's loading. So once it's loaded, so it asks me which best describes you. Now, are you a creator? Best for public figures, content producer, artist, and influencers. You choose. You know what suits you and what you want to use the business page with the Instagram for. So, and the second is business, best for retailers, local business, brands, organization, and service provider. So I'm using it for business. You click on next. Click on next. It's loading. Now it asks some questions, few questions about you. Do you want it to show your contact info in your profile? If you want it to show, you can click on that again later. So I can actually skip these steps and do that later. So you can just click on don't use my contact info. So now we are done. Click on done. Now we are done with the connection of our Facebook business page with our Instagram account. So now let's refresh the page. Let's refresh. So the reason why I'm doing this is for those who want to run Facebook ads on Facebook and Instagram. So you need to connect your business page with your Instagram account first. So now we have another button here which is review connection. Click on it, continue, then continue. Now confirm this connection. So it will need a confirmation from you again. Log in again. It's loading. Now we are done. So connection confirmed, done. So this is how to connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So what I'm saying now is that when you go on your Facebook ads, on your Facebook ads account, your Facebook ads manager, now you click on maybe the ads you setting up. Click on edit, and now you go into the ad set. Click on the ad. Now here, identity Facebook page. This is the Facebook page I'm using to run the ads. So already select the Facebook page. Now it requires an Instagram account. So once I choose the Instagram account, this is the Instagram account I connected now with my business page. So the reason why this shows up is that I've already connected it. So this is why this shows up. So once I set up these ads, So the ads will run both on Facebook and Instagram. So this is why we connect Facebook business page with Instagram account, so the ads you set up can quickly show up on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget, when you are here at the ad set, when you are to choose the placement, if you want to run a Facebook ads and you want to show up on Facebook and Instagram ads, so make sure you click the automatic placement. And if only you want to run a Facebook ads, you are not interested in Instagram ads, then you untick the Instagram. So this ad will only shows on Facebook, but if you want to run both, then you click the automatic placement on. Or if you want to run Instagram ads, then you click on manual, then you untick the Facebook and the audience network, and you click only on Instagram. Now once you click only on Instagram, now this, let me click on the audience network. So this ads will only show up on Instagram, it won't show on Facebook. Now when we come down here, you can see these are the places the ads will show up: Instagram feed, Instagram explore, Instagram stories, Instagram reels. So these are the places the ads will show up: apps and sites. If you want the ads to show up on apps and sites, you can click it, and if you don't want it, you untick that, then we are done. This is how you can also set up an Instagram ads. So this is very simple. So if you find this video helpful on how you can connect your business page with your Instagram account, and you can now do it yourself, so simple, easily. Now I want you to click the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, smash it, so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new content like this. Now thanks for watching this video, see you next time.